Be yourself. Leo the lion cub was worried. All the other lion cubs were brave and roared loudly. Leo's roar was just a squeak. He tried to copy the bigger cubs, puffing out his chest and trying to sound fierce. But the squeak always came out. The other cubs laughed. Leo felt ashamed. His mother noticed his sadness. She took him aside. "Leo," he said gently, "your roar doesn't have to be like theirs. Each lion has its own voice. What matters is your heart, your kindness, your strength inside." Leo didn't understand at first. He still wanted to roar like the others. But then he saw a small bird caught in a thorn bush. The bigger cubs roared and scared the bird more. Leo quietly approached. He used his small paws gently to free the bird. The bird chirped its thanks and flew away. His mother smiled. "See, Leo? Your quiet strength helped. Your kindness saved the bird. That is your roar. It's not about noise, but about what you do." Leo finally understood. He stopped trying to copy others. He helped other animals. He used his gentleness and his smarts. He may not have roared the loudest, but he was brave in his own way. He was Leo, and that was enough. He learned that true strength is being yourself and using your unique gifts. He became a respected member of the pride, not because of his roar, but because of his heart. Be true to yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not. Your unique qualities are your strength. Kindness is strength. True bravery isn't always about being loud or powerful. It's about helping others in your own way. Your voice matters. Find your own way to express yourself and make a difference, even if it's not what others expect. Embrace your differences. What makes you different makes you special.